New Xiaomi Redmi Projector 4 arrives with increased brightness. The Xiaomi Redmi Projector 4 has been revealed in China. Arriving as an upgrade on the 2024 model, its light source is said to offer 38% more brightness compared to its predecessor. Other features include a ToF sensor for automatic focus, dual integrated speakers, and a range of ports including HDMI, ARC. Xiaomi has launched the Redmi Projector 4 in China. It arrives as a cheaper alternative to the Redmi Projector 4 Pro. Plus, it offers various upgrades over the last generation model, the Redmi Projector 3. The Xiaomi Redmi Projector 4 is a 1080p model with a 1500:1 contrast ratio like its predecessor. It can throw images up to 120 inches wide with a 1.2:1 throw ratio. However, the new version is said to be 38% brighter, with the LED light source offering up to 360 CVIA lumens brightness. It is worth noting that CVIA is not an internationally recognized standard for brightness measurements. Redmi Projector 4 Key technical specifications and features. Optical engine. Custom designed, fully sealed DLP optical system. This architecture ensures consistent color performance over time and mitigates dust-related image degradation, a common failure point in budget projectors. Brightness output. 360 lumens as per the CVIA standard. This China-specific luminance standard provides a calibrated metric for its light output, indicating suitability for controlled lighting environments. Auto calibration system. Time of flight, ToF, laser-assisted sensor for seamless autofocus and automatic keystone correction. This enables a sharp rectangular image upon startup or after movement without manual intervention. Note: optimal performance requires side vertical tilt angles to 15 degrees. Image processing, integrated MEMC, motion estimation, motion compensation, chip. This feature interpolates frames to reduce judder and motion blur in high-speed content, enhancing viewing smoothness for sports and action sequences. Audio system. Dual 5W high-frequency drivers coupled with a digital power amplifier. This configuration is engineered to deliver a wider soundstage and superior acoustic clarity compared to typical single-driver solutions in this class. Connectivity and modes. Features a Bluetooth audio in mode, allowing the unit to function as a standalone wireless speaker for audio playback from compatible devices like smartphones and tablets. Content ecosystem. Bundled with an upgraded Xiaomi Video VIP membership, providing aggregated content access from major streaming platforms, including CVIA. Includes intelligent recommendation algorithms for personalized content discovery. User interface. Integrated voice search and control functionality, activated via a dedicated button on the included remote control for hands-free operation. Smart integration, compatible with the Xiaomi HyperConnect media ecosystem, supports pre-configured automation and liaison, linkage scenarios with other compatible smart devices through the media application. Official note: the device utilizes Xiaomi HyperConnect for smart features but is not currently powered by the full Xiaomi HyperOS. Positioning and value. Positioned as an entry-level home cinema projector, it emphasizes a high feature-to-cost ratio with a strategic launch price point of $999 to capture the budget-conscious segment of the market. Another upgrade found on the Redmi Projector 4 is an MEMC motion smoothing feature. An integrated time of flight, ToF sensor brings automatic focus, and you can also perfect the image with a keystone correction tool. On top of this, there are two integrated 5W speakers, ports like HDMI, ARC, USB 2 and an audio jack, and support for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1. This projector is compatible with Xiaomi HyperOS Connect, with users able to remotely control the device via the brand's app or using voice commands. In China, Xiaomi sells the Redmi Projector 4 for CNY 1,399 or 196. It is unclear whether or not this model will make its way to other markets like Europe, where the company has yet to release its Redmi projectors. However, it sells other models like the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 Pro, Kurla 20850 at Amazon.de. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment, love to hear what you think.